How to update Google Play Store. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can update your Google Play Store, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to update your Google Play Store on Android, all you have to do is simply open up your Play Store. Then what you want to do is, if you want to update some of the apps, you go to your Play Store. But what if you want to update your Play Store itself? If you want to update your Play Store, you have to tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen and then just go to settings. Once you go to settings, here you'll find the option called about. Tap the about option and here you'll find the option called update Play Store. So make sure to tap the update Play Store option, and if it says there is an update, you'll find that it will get updated to the latest version. Otherwise, you can see my Play Store is already up to date, so I don't have to do anything. This way you can update your Google Play Store on Android. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.